Hey, it's Dave talking today about some car scanners and specifically about this ODB scanners. As just a whole bunch of them. Any auto parts store also will have just tons of these. These are ODB more advanced generations. I mean, they've got everything from the 2-button version I have to full computers, tablet-like computers that you can plug into your car. So, but all of them are the same. They all plug in the same, and they all generally function the same. So I'm going to show you how to use this one. This is one I've had for 4 or 5 years now. It's the Pocket Scan, Bosch Pocket Scan, and we're going to go fire up a car, and I'll show you how to plug it in and put your codes. All right, we're in the car. I'm going to fire this thing up and let it remain in park. And then I'm going to open the door and grab the scanner. And down there above the pedals is right where this connector is. And it looks just like this. It's kind of a weird shape. It's not a rectangle, right? It's a weird shape. It only goes in there one way. So we're going to look for the connector that looks like that and plug it in. There we are. And there it is. Pretty much the same shape. Yeah. So we just put it right on there. And when we do that, this thing comes alive. And then we hit the read button. It'll scan and bring back codes if there's a code, or no code if there's no codes. No codes. And then if we've got a check engine light up there on the console, we can go ahead and hit the erase button, and it'll erase any codes that's got stored in there, and then that light will disappear. And when we're done, we just pull it right out, and we're done. Okay, so that's the gist on how to use that scanner, but if you've got an actual code in your computer because your check engine light came on and it pops up with that code, you want to write that code down and then bring that code inside on a computer. Look it up. So I got one the other day, and it was capital P 0406. And that was the code, and this is calling it exhaust gas recirculation sensor. And then it tells you about that code. Okay, so there you go. Anyway, that's how to find out what's going on and what the codes are telling you. All right, this is Dave. Have a great one.